God, what is going on here? So you put on like the body kits and the inside.
The vehicle, we'll lower it on Cobras, we'll put the wheels on it, the side skirts, we'll put the front bumper, rear bumper, spoilers, all the interior. If it comes standard, we'll lever it all up and everything as well.
Wow.
And then a bit like yours, it's got all the additional stuff in the back with the carpets and the speakers. We can do all that modification work as well.
Yeah, it's so amazing. And you do Volkswagens and Fords?
Yeah, Volkswagens, Fords, 4x4s, we do them all.
Whatever you want done, you can have done here. Very cool. Very tricky. You guys got a good operation going on here. Yeah. I'll take a picture, you take a picture of me. There we go. And where can people find you?
So you can find us down in Rotherham on Dodds Close. Come find me and Katie. We'll rent you a van anytime.
There you go. And online you can find you at?
Yeah, it's leightonvans.co.uk.
Okay, very cool. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Oh my God, Leighton Vans. Styling out the tipster here. Ow! Hello everybody, how's it going? I'm Brett Tippie. And I'm here with...
So Mark at Leighton Vans here. We're handing over our demo vehicle to Brett. He's going to have it for a few weeks, aren't you, while you do your tour?
Yeah, I'm going up to Scotland, Wales, and all over England in this Leighton van.
And you're looking forward to it, excited?
Super excited. I've never been here before, so I'll be driving on the opposite side of the road and I'll be doing it looking very stylishly.
Good, we can't wait. So we're just going to have a quick whiz through, get everything set up, your phone and everything. We've had a good tour around the van, haven't we?
Yeah, it looks good. Custom bumpers front and back. We got the disco lights and it looks so shiny. It smells new. I think it's not even 6 months old, so they're really treating me right here. And there's so many cool things here. Like this is tech. My inner nerd is just going, yeah.
It'll automatically come off when you set off.
Oh wow.
If you don't have your seatbelt on, it'll not move until you take it off.
Okay.
Safety features.
Right, okay. And
heated seats, so it's all touchscreen. Heated seats on that side, click on that. You can turn it off if you want to.
Right, okay.
And then you've got all the controls for your heater, front heated screen, rear heated screen, air conditioning.
Very high tech. This is like Darth Vader's bathroom in here.
Yeah. Just don't use it as a bathroom.
Yeah, right. Yeah. I'll force myself not to. Did you know that the force is like duct tape? It has a light side, a dark side, and holds the world together.
Oh dear. Loving it.
What did Yoda say when he saw himself in high definition television for the first time?
Go on.
HDMI. And did you hear about?
You do realise I'm going to use these?
Oh yeah, so they're all yours. They're all yours. Did you hear about the girl who got the Star Wars facial tattoos? You wouldn't believe the Luke on her face.
Oh, do you know something? I'm glad you come in today. Brightens up any day, that mate. Brightens up any day.
Yeah, there you go.
Hi guys, it's Katie at Leighton, and what a day it's been today. I'm currently stood here with Brett Tippie.
Hi everybody.
Yourself?
I'm a mountain biker and a snowboarder from Canada, and I'm on tour here to go to Scotland, Wales, and all over England with a Speakers from the Edge tour, talking about my life story, about being a pro mountain biker back in the original Freeride days, and competing on the World Cup as a snowboard racer, top 10 racer in the world, and then losing it all, and living on the streets, and then building myself back up and becoming a pro mountain biker again and an announcer, and now I'm touring, talking about my life story.
Amazing. We're giving you a van for the tour.
Yes, thank you very much.
We're giving you a brand new LV-RF, as you can see behind us, in our digital aqua blue, which matches your bike.
It totally does. I call it electric blue.
Yes, electric blue. Yeah.
Yes, very, very, very nice. And I'm very matchy, which is very pro. So yeah, thank you for that.
We've had a good look around the van. Obviously, we've took some videos. We've had a look at everything inside, outside. What do you think?
It's absolutely sexy. I like the custom fenders, and it's got disco lights in the inside. The interior is immaculate. It's like a sports car in a van.
Yeah, exactly.
Very, very cool. Yeah. You know what they say, there's two kinds of class, first class and no class, and this is first class.
You just said to us that you thought you were going to be picking up a panel van today, and it's completely the opposite. We've got you the full LV-RF, EBC big brake kit, everything.
Yeah.
Couldn't ask for more.
Yeah, a nice wicked sound system, and It's, I don't know, it's like so tech in there, it looks like Darth Vader's bathroom.
This is your home on wheels for
The next month.
The next month.
Yeah, next month. Yeah, I'll be in.
Yes.
Let me see if I can get these names correct. Inverness, Aberdeen, Stirling, Peebles, Penrith, Sale, Middlesbrough, Loughborough, Letchworth, Shrewsbury, Bristol, Exeter, Andover, Dorking, Leamington, Spa, Buxton, Pontardawe, Carnarvon, and Christchurch. And I'll all be there in my Leighton van,
In your Leighton van.
cruising around in style.
You've just mentioned you've not actually been to any of them places before either, have you? So this
I've
is
never been to any of these places, so it's a new
Brand new.
experience.
Yeah.
They've never seen me, I've never seen them. And I'll be going there in this beauty. And yeah, I couldn't be more thankful. So thank you very much.
No worries at all. Well, we hope you have the best tour. We're hoping to pop along and see you around the end.
Right.
Local to us.
Buxton maybe? Or
Buxton maybe,
Right.
yeah. Or yeah, somewhere local to
be
us.
careful, I'm going to make you laugh, I'll make you want to cry, and I'll make you laugh again. It's a crazy story, lots of jokes, and yeah.
Yeah. Highly recommend coming along. Come and see Brett, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Leighton Vans.